Why do dogs tilt their heads? Is it just cute, or is there more to it? Turns out, there's some fascinating science behind that adorable head tilt. Dogs may tilt their heads to improve their hearing, helping them pick up on where sounds are coming from. It's also believed they do it to better understand us, especially when we speak. By tilting their heads, dogs might be trying to make sense of our words, facial expressions, and even emotions. So that cute head tilt? It's actually your dog's way of tuning into you. Follow the why factor for more answers to your curious questions about animal behaviors and more.